Ladies and gentlemen, it is 1:14 a.m. December 22nd, 2021 Central Time in Minnesota. Doing a bit of an early video because we do have something to talk about that just happened within the last literally 15 minutes. So remember to leave a like and subscribe. We'll be doing a lot more. As you guys can see, it is very active. That sun, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 named sunspots. There should be more than 10, but we'll take 10. As you can see, we got 2907 through 2916. I mean, a lot of action going on up there. This is the current look. And that's the flare that just happened literally within the last 15 minutes. It was an M flare. We've got a little bit of a spike here. An M13 looks like. Those solar flares here. And as you can see, in the past 72 hours, we have had 1, 2, 3 M flares, several high C flares, and we've been at a C baseline pretty much the entire time with the instances of a minor drop, and then we just get another spike, drop, spike, spike. I mean, from here to here, didn't go below C. We got lots of action coming up, guys. We'll go take a look at that absorption chart too after. But we're going to go take just a couple peeks at this. That is where the spot came from, the flare, the M flare that just happened. I would say 2907 or 2908. Got a little bit of the hiccups, so excuse me. We'll go back. And once again, I accidentally hit the back button for the record. We're going to go take a look at 304 angstroms here. Show you guys what's coming, what's happening up there. This camera's going to be funky, so we're just going to pause it and let it load a little bit. We're going to have a spot over here that we're going to talk about, but these two spots here are the spots that we got to talk about coming up. Got the hiccups. And this is doing its usual thing like it likes to do lately, where you gotta rewind and all that just to get a good video of it. Alright. There's going to be a lot of action coming from this spot over here. I mean, you can already kind of see a spot there that just went, but you're going to be looking right in here. Right in these spots right here. Those are the ones that are facing us. And all three of those spots there are active. You got some action going on over here too. Right there, explosion just happened. See if we can get 171 angstroms. Okay, we can let it play now. Maybe. Alright. You guys can see we just had that flare right here. Big one just came out of there. We got these spots that are going to be facing us now. And this spot here that's going to be coming around. Flare, flare. So many flares. So much going on up there right now. It is. We're going to have some action coming from this spot over here. This one right here is looking very active. In the last couple frames, you can see these flares here popped off. But this is the camera that I've been wanting to see. Right here. you're going to see a lot of action from right in here. Right here. I mean, and even over here, you can see a lot of going on there. Just a lot going on right now. Very, very, very active sun right now. There's going to be a lot of flares coming. A lot of flares. I mean, there already has been. We can go take a look at the magnetogram here. It gives you an easier understanding. I mean, this spot right here might as well just be one spot. These two spots here aren't even named. And then there's this spot coming around the bend here. Right there. We can actually go out of here. Go into here. And actually go take a look up close. And you can see that is going to be a mean one. That is going to be a spot that we're going to have to watch out for. You got 2912, 2413, 2913, I mean. You got these. 29908 looks to be the spot responsible for the air flare that just happened. That spot's not named. These spots aren't named. 2916 though. I mean, just look at that. Let's go to sunspot regions. Actually go look at 2916, 07, 08, 09, 010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Looks like it doesn't even have a percent for a flare, but I've already seen several flares come off of that. You guys did as well. And it's one spot at 100 size. Okay. That is 100 millionths of a hemisphere, or equal to 304 million square kilometers. That's one spot. Okay. We're going to go back. We're going to show you guys why that's significant. Okay. Because in the spot that's facing us right now, 2908, that's 18 spots at size 100. Okay, now that one down there has one spot at size 100, 3 at 80, 320, 120, 14 at 200. So that's one spot that's this big. One spot is equal to that. That right there is one spot that's coming around. It's too much going on up there. I mean, just look at it. There's that. And then once it's fully facing us, we are going to have some trouble, ladies and gentlemen. What else can we look at before I let you guys go here? Don't want to take up too much of your time. Just giving you a quick little update at the M flare that just happened. You can see in the past 2 hours. Past 2 hours, we've been over a C baseline. In the past 6 hours, pretty much over a C. In the past 24, very, very active up there. I mean, these are almost at one. These high C's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 M flares, all in the past 24 hours. So remember, stay prepared. We're going to have a lot of action coming up. Share this on all social media to let everyone know. Keep everyone informed. And I will probably put out another video later on today because there is going to be more action coming. I do not, after all this, want to see an X flare. But I think that is something right now that we cannot avoid. I don't think we can avoid an X flare out of here. or that spot coming up. And there's several spots. Actually, we're going to end it off right here by taking a look at what's coming around the bend. So you got one spot up there. 1, 2, 3, 4 more spots still incoming, folks. So stay safe. Take care, everyone. Talk to you later.